If you run a family law or estate planning firm with 2 to 10 attorneys, and almost every new client still comes from referral, while your website just sits there, this one's for you. Your website probably isn't getting you clients. It's not for the reason you think, and fixing it takes a week and not 4 months. Let's start with where your website actually gets judged, and it isn't from your desk. It's 11 o'clock at night, and a woman in your county is sitting on the edge of her bed with her phone, trying to decide whether she needs a divorce attorney. She's stressed, she's tired, and she is one thumb swipe away from the firm down the street. 2 things lose her, and neither has anything to do with how good of a lawyer you are. First, the site is slow, on a phone, on a cell signal, not on your office fiber. If it takes more than a few seconds to load, she's gone, and there's no notification. You'll never know she was there. Second, it looks dated. And this one matters more than people give it credit for, because she cannot evaluate your legal work. She's never hired a lawyer. She has no way to judge whether you're good at custody cases. So she judges the one piece of evidence she has. If your site looks dated, she assumes you are too. That's not an opinion about design. That's a trust transfer. And the reason you don't know any of this is happening is that the site looks fine to you. You pull it up on your desktop, on your office Wi-Fi, and it loads instantly. Your website fails in the exact place you never look. So what's actually going on under the hood? Usually the same 4 things. It was built for a desktop, then squished down, sort of work on a phone. Somebody loaded in beautiful, enormous photos that nobody ever compressed. There's no CDN, so every visitor pulls the whole site from one server, wherever that may be. And there are moving pieces, sliders, fades, rotating banners that look current in 2015 and now they just add weight. A lot of these sites were built by office staff or by somebody's teenager who was good with computers. And that's not a knock. It kept the cost down, it got you a website when you needed one, and now it just shows up on the phone. Now here's the part nobody says aloud. When a firm finally decides to fix the website, the project takes 4 months, sometimes longer. And I want to be fair about why, because the instinct behind it is completely reasonable. You want to control every word on your site. Of course you do. It's your name on the door, it's your license, and there's the Bar Association with opinions about what you claim. And if you've already paid an agency that wrote something about your compassionate team of experienced professionals, you're right not to hand that over. But watch what the reasonable instinct does to the project. You tell the designer you'll write the practice area pages yourself, then you have a hearing, then a client emergency. Then it's Thursday, and you're 6 billable hours behind. Website content is a priority number 47 on the list of 40 things to do. A designer emails you to check in, you feel guilty, 2 more weeks go by. 4 months later, you got half a website and a vague sense that you failed at homework. You didn't, the process failed. It was built around a bottleneck, and the bottleneck is you, writing. Then there's the other version, the $25,000 agency build. Everybody owns a piece of it, a strategist, a copywriter, a designer, account manager, and meetings to align with other meetings. And the price tag becomes a little bit of a badge of honor. You spent $25,000 on it, so it's got to be good, right? What you actually bought is a combo of 50 people's visions, designed by committee, never works. One more thing, and this is the one that changed how I do this. Almost every attorney asks for a site that they can edit themselves, so they can make changes whenever they want. It adds build time, it adds cost, but we do it anyways because that's what was asked for. And frankly, in all the years I've been doing this, I have never had one attorney make a change, not one. So here's the diagnosis. Your website project doesn't have a design problem. It has a homework problem. Take the homework out and the whole thing takes a week, which is why we offer the 1-week website. Here's what that looks like in practice. 4 steps. Step 1, The research happens before you're involved. Before we ever get on a call, we pull what people in your county are actually typing into Google, not what a keyword tool thinks lawyers should rank for. What your neighbors are asking at 11 o'clock at night, such as, what happens to the house in a divorce? Do I need probate if there's a will? Those phrases attached to your county. Step number 2, the Speak It to Me session. That's a 30 to 60 minute interview, and it's the only real-time commitment in this. We've entered the questions ahead of time so that when you answer them the way you would answer a client in a conference room, you're naturally saying the exact phrases people are searching for. You think you're just talking, but you're writing your own SEO out loud. No blank page, no document waiting for you on a Sunday night. Step number 3, the outline comes out of your transcript and you approve it. Nothing text-wise is templated and nothing is invented. We build the outline from what you actually said, send it to you, and you sign off before a single page gets built. You can read the finished copy word for word if you want to, but it's pretty much what you said. And if you've ever seen my video on the AI sanction cases, you'll recognize the rule. We never publish words that didn't come from you. Your total time on the whole project, start to finish, 1 to 2 hours, ever. Step 4, we build it and it goes live. 8 pages, home, about, contact, testimonials, plus 4 pages of your choosing, which for most firms means practice area pages written for the county you actually serve. 1 call to action, site-wide, worded identically everywhere. Click to call because she's on a phone, and a contact page with an email sequence behind it. So the person who fills out that form at 11 o'clock at night gets a response before you're even awake. That last one matters more than it sounds. Most brochure sites don't email anybody back. And that's the gap where cases quietly die. You also get an About Your Firm video and a client testimonial video cut from the same session. So the person who lands on your own page sees an actual human being, not a photo of a gavel. Here are 3 real ones. Taxic Law, the Law Office of Brett Clancy, Amanda Fair. These firms did not need to become different law firms. They needed websites that better reflected the quality of the work they were already doing. Now, I want to be straight with you about something. You could do every one of these steps yourself. None of it's a secret. You could pull your own keyword data, record yourself talking for 45 minutes, get it transcribed, and hand it to a designer. The reason it doesn't happen isn't that you don't know how to do it. It's that the writing part is homework, and homework loses to billable work every single time. That's not a character flaw. That's just what running a practice does to a calendar. So here's how we do it. You start Monday, you launch the following Monday, 1 week, and the only thing that has ever broken that clock is the client delaying, which honestly kind of proves a point. Then it keeps working after launch. Off-site SEO is the booster, your Google business profile optimized, Bing places, up to 50 directory citations, a press release, and a visibility baseline so you can see where you started. Managed hosting, SSL, the CDN, remember the speed problem, backups and updates, all handled. And here's the part I'd want to hear if I were you. We spend our own money, up to $30 a month, advertising your video in your local markets. Most companies launch your site and wait. We don't. The price? Plainly, $350 a month for 12 months. That's $4,200 total. That's less than the deposit on a 4-month committee site, and yours is live next week. Who's this for? Solo and small firms, family law, estate planning, probate, business law, with a site that is dated, it's slow, or it was put together by somebody in the office who was just willing to do it. Who it's not for is for firms that want 6 stakeholders in every meeting. That's a real thing for some firms, but it just isn't this. Your website should reflect the firm that you've actually built, You don't need another year of telling yourself you'll get to it, and you don't need to write a single page. You need 30 minutes and something to say. And after 20 years of practice, I'm sure you've got plenty. Link is in the description. It goes to the 1 week website page. You can see before and afters, full size, and a short form to check whether your firm qualifies. It's a form, not a sales gauntlet. Nothing to download, nothing gated. Start Monday, launch next Monday.